Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, here is His Excellency, the man whose heart beats for River State, a man who has spent the last 365 days in service to the people of the state, a servant leader, a man with the fear of God, and a man whose desire is to bring the change that River State has yearned for years. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, Sir Simnana Ifubara, Grand Service Star.